Hi, okay, so we are out here in the garden. Let me back up. All right, and I bought this ShirOuni Mandarin citrus plant. It is on a dwarf stock. It's sitting inside of its soon to be new home. I picked this up today. It's quite a large size. It was not that expensive, but I used a gift card from my mom from Mother's Day to help pay for it. So I'm adding a little addition to our garden today. But we're going to do is we're going to pot this up into this bigger pot. It won't take long because, as you can see, I did not go super large. I don't want to put it into too much of a shock because it is actually already fruiting. You can see the tiny baby fruits on the plant. So I want to keep it in something small also because it is a dwarf plant and it's probably not going to get too much taller than it is right now because it's already over 5 feet tall. Okay, so 5 feet minus the bucket that it's in. The pot is probably a foot off the ground, so it's probably about 4 feet if it was in the ground instead of in a pot. So it's not going to get too much taller, but it will be bushy because it is a dwarf plant. So I'm going to make sure that when I plant it that I do not go beyond this down here, the graft point of the plant, which is probably going to be, I think, behind this paper. Okay. It is staked up, so I'm going to leave that stake in there. I'm going to add a little fertilizer to this. And I do have citrus fertilizer already, so I'm going to put that in here. I'm going to put some more soil in it, of course, so that it's enough. And I'm going to keep the height of the plant up to this ring right here. I'm going to pull it up to there. Maybe that's the first one. Okay, so it's all potted up. This pot is a self-watering container. Let's say everything is all mixed in there. There it is. I do not know exactly where it's going to go for its final home. However, let's see, right here it gets good sun. It gets good sun right here. I'll find somewhere permanent for it one day, but right now it's too hot out here to stay out and figure that out for right now. So I'm going to this house and take a shower so I can head to this kitty birthday party. I did get a moment to do something that I actually wanted to do today, which is always a good thing.